Yep, we going?
Yep.
We good? Okay, we talked about, we did on YouTube video, this one yesterday. This is the next one, but it's kind of, I think it'll confuse you. So I'm gonna demonstrate that one tomorrow. So again, find the middle. You know it's somewhere in here. Okay, so the difference between oblique and isometric is isometric 30, 30, 90. This is 45, all one direction, okay? So you are going to go to the left, half of the width, and I already know the size of the object. The object is 4 wide, 2.5 tall, and 1.5 deep. You're gonna go 45, half the depth, which is 1.5, and half of that is 3/4. You're gonna go straight down, half the height. Height is 2.5, half of that's 1.25. So you're doing that to find that point right there. Get rid of everything else. No hidden lines in this stuff, just like isometric. So you already done this one in isometric. Now we're just going to look at it in oblique. And what you missed yesterday that were on 8th grade days, because the front view in oblique is the real shape, then arcs and circles look the same. That's why I want to wait and demonstrate that one. So this 4 inches wide. Now you put the entire thing. You always draw the box first. If you're not drawing the box, you're making your life so much harder. You're going to draw the front view because that's all we can do right now. My eraser go.
I'm feeling a brush.
Thank you. Like I knew I had it. Yesterday I messed up. You weren't here, Max. And I lost a lot of subscribers.
Oh, yeah, you went down to 8 million.
Dang.
Okay, so you're gonna go 45 to the left, to the right side. So off each corner.
Now down to 6 figures.
Yeah, I dropped to 6 figures for a minute. I got it back up though, don't worry.
No, that's good to hear.
Yeah, I figure after today's YouTube video it'd be great.
You just had to show us all.
Okay, so 1.5 here, you did 2.5 here, you did 4 here. Everything goes off to the side. That's my side view. Bring this across, that's my top view. So now, just like we did before, we just have to figure out the rest of the stuff. So it's telling us we're gonna go 1 inch over from each corner. And so, like I said, once you know something's on there, then you can start drawing it dark. So I know these are staying on here because I can see them. These we can go ahead and draw dark because I know they are there. We're going to come back at a 45-degree angle. It's the only choice. But we're only going to go back 3/4 of an inch. So we measure 3/4 right on the line. You can draw that across. Okay. I would get rid of stuff now because this is gone. We're going to bring this down. And we're going to bring this back until they hit. Okay, now we draw this till it hits here. So pretty easy. Erase all the stuff you don't need. So we're going to do oblique. That was yesterday, oblique. what did I do with my great drawing? It's on the other side of mine. Oblique. We're gonna skip this one because almost no one gets it, even when I demonstrate it. You're gonna do this one in oblique. So these 3 and add that one. If you think you're able to draw this in oblique, you can. I'm going to tell you that you have to draw your box and you're going to chop this off at 5 millimeters, which means you're going to come over and down 5 millimeters, and you're going to draw your new front because that would be the new front. And then you're going to go back 5 millimeters because that's the new back, because we just chopped this at 45. So that's your first hint of how to do it. And it's not easy. And then you have a circle, and you're going to see part of the circle in the back because it's not that deep. So if you can draw that. And then what you missed yesterday was we had some skateboard dudes on the first one because we have a half pike, and then he's got his friends and one of his brothers, and they're scared of the rain because it's raining. And then his other buddy who's cool, he's out here like this, and he's like, hey dude, you see how fast Lakin's car went? Man, it was like that. He was already here when the other car was there. Dude, it was so fast, man. So that's gonna bring me back up to 7 figures. Ready?